Hey guys, coming to you from Dandridge. We've got boards that we're starting to replace, trying to be real observant of the cost of these boards. But again, same story as we've had before. A lot of these boards can be replaced. We're trying to figure out the ones that absolutely have to. We've got two cracked right here. We're breaking these as we see the need. So you can see a couple more right here. So that's 2, 4. Let's see if this one, Ernesto. This one needs to go. You shouldn't be able to kick through a board like that. I can make a quick walkthrough. We okay? Right here? Yeah. We've already got that. Yeah, we've already broken that one. You can see the brakes down here for these. This one's broken. We broke it. Here, here, here. Hey, let's go ahead and replace this board too. Yeah. And here? This one, we good here?
Yeah.
That's okay? No good?
No, it's good.
That's good? Okay. How about this? No good.
No good.
Crack it.
Hey, maybe
This? I think we checked it, right? It's strong? Okay. Okay.
No, it's not good.
Oh, it's already cut. Yeah, that one's already cut. This one's cut. That one's cut. Hey, yeah. Right there. Bottom line, it's appearing. Got boards over here. Some of these boards were replaced on the last cycle of roofing. You can see these are all. Ernesto, are these nuevo? These are new? They're new? Okay. All right.
Maybe 20.
We need 20 more than the 50 we started with. Okay. It's appearing as though we're starting to talk about, hey. This board too, no good. Yeah. We're going to re-nail this entire deck. We're going to try and keep as many of these boards as humanly possible. But as of right now, it's looking like we're going to be plus 50 on this roof. Yep, go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, break it. Okay. That's it, guys. That's the tour of the roof right there. Thank you very much. See you later.